Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. This is Ruchi Bharani and I'm back with another Paryushan recipe. So today I'm going to show you chole with a twist. First, let's start with dry roasting the coconut. I have half a cup of dry coconut here. Those who use fresh, they can even use fresh coconut. Just lightly roast it till it changes color. This is done, and remove this coconut in the grinder. With this dry coconut, I'm also going to add the seasoning ingredients. 1 teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of Chat Masala, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder. Let's dry grind this once. Let's add a little bit of water to make a paste. And this paste is done. Let's start cooking now. In a pressure cooker, heat around 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. One piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and 1 bay leaf. Once the whole spices are cooked, I'm going to add in the masala paste. Just roast the masala paste in the oil for a few seconds. Into this, I'm going to add around 3 cups of water. Also, next I'm going to add in half a cup of soaked chole. Just drain out the water. Salt to taste. Give this a mix. That's it. And now let's pressure cook this for at least 5 whistles on low flame. 5 whistles are up, let's turn off the flame and let the pressure cooker cool down completely. The pressure cooker is completely cooled down. Let's open it and check on the chole. The chole is nicely done. We have a nice thick gravy. Let's remove it in a bowl. In this particular gravy, you can even use mixed pulses like rajma, chole, moong, add a little bit of chana dal or moong ka dal and make a delicious recipe. Enjoy this with some hot puris, rotis or any kind of bhakris. Do try this at home. Let me know how it turned out. See you soon with another Paryushan recipe. Bye-bye.